Yes, the Huawei Watch GT 2 is compatible with the iPhone 11. However, you won't get full functionality as with a Huawei smartphone. Hi, I'm Niba, and here's how to pair the Huawei Watch GT 2 to an iPhone. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Start by turning on your Huawei Watch GT 2. If the watch is brand new, it will activate its pairing mode on first boot. In case your watch was already paired with another smartphone, then you first need to unpair it because it only connects to one phone at a time. To unpair from a previous device, go to the Watch GT 2 settings, then System and click Disconnect. Next, install the Huawei Health app from the App Store. After installation, make sure the smartwatch is on. Launch the Huawei Health app on your iPhone, then go to Devices and click Add a Device. Now choose Smartwatch and select the Huawei Watch GT 2 series. The app will automatically scan and show any nearby Watch GT 2 that is in pairing mode. After discovery, select the watch, then click Next. At this point, the Huawei Health app will refer you to the iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Access the Bluetooth settings on iPhone by going to Settings, then Bluetooth. Once selected, the iPhone will send a pairing request to your Watch GT 2, which you have to accept. But that's not all. You need to continue from where you left. So, go back to the Huawei Health app and click Pair. This time, the Watch GT 2 will send a pairing request to your iPhone. On the iPhone screen, accept the pairing request by clicking Pair. On the next prompt, click Allow. This will grant the necessary permissions for the Huawei Watch GT 2 to display all the notifications received from your iPhone whenever it is connected by Bluetooth. Finally, if you wish, you can enable automatic updates by Wi-Fi and click Done. So, there you have it. You've successfully paired the Watch GT 2 to your iPhone, and it's ready to receive notifications and incoming calls. That's been all for this one. Thanks for watching. It's been Niba, and I'll catch you in the next one.